think nowadays we have to go this way. Digitalization is a key things for TechnipFMC, but also for Huisman. So it's very key for us that we are following the same path.
First impression is it is very easy to use, and it provides us with a lot of insights in the way we work with the Huisman.
It works for us. It gives us a platform where we are sort of not having to contact the guys on the landline constantly asking them for the same sort of questions. It's like a one-stop shop. It's a platform we can go to and actually almost answer our own questions from, or get the assistance we need without interrupting the guys' daily lives.
Having all our equipment, and we have got a large fleet of Huisman equipment within TechnipFMC, having these features and software available to us will definitely bring some additional services and helps to our offshore crew, and that's something that we are looking for.
So we believe it provides us far more transparency about the issues ongoing.
Efficiency is a big thing for us in Subsea 7, so yeah, it's going to be really efficient for us. It's going to make life easier for both companies. It's a platform for a partnership versus a partnership. It makes it easy for us.